don't want my mom smoking on that all anymore. So
explain what we're doing.
Today we will be recovering a brand new abandoned boat.
Why did you do that?
because the Gildan undies is crazy.
Do you think it's in there?
No, it's right there. The shit is
The whole poop? That's like black though.
That's like dog
You're an
shit.
eternal bleeder.
Touch that shit.
Run as fast as you can.
No, stop.
It's happening. Oh, these are soiled, bro.
Yeah, we gotta continue to the canoe. Get it out of it. Disgusting.
Fuck you say?
Little walk down, walk through.
Yeah, let's see it.
Here, I'll flip it with you.
We had a little bit of a hole.
How did I get to fucking...
I don't know, bro. We had a little bit of a hole, so I had to patch it. Dollar Tree duct tape.
It's
do
no
the trick
biggie,
every time.
Look at that fucking...
Whoa.
It's 5 years old.
How about it? For sale.
Don't fucking sell my boat.
7,000
Don't sell my fucking boat.
OBO.
NFS.
Hey, don't sell my
for sale.
fucking boat. How about you fucking take care of it?
Just in a bucket.
Mine's pineapple, motherfucker.
You got the swinger boat one. Yo, you gotta stay at our rear
You gotta fucking
capsize.
sit down.
Nah, I'm a professional paddle boarder. All right, light those.
Go down with the ship.
Yo.
Oh, beautiful.
After you.
Wow.
The boat. Yo, this shit's like fucking 20 feet long.
Dude, we did like a speaker.
Boat reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I get that. Back it up a little bit. Gotta get this out of here. Here, I'll steer you.
Oh, it has pedals.
Here we go.
Alright, can we empty the seat, please?
That's why I brought the bucket.
Give me a bucket.
All right, grab the bucket. We're gonna empty it. Oh, oh, no, the handle. You're almost there.
I'm about to sit in this. Don't be oohing.
Don't get underneath.
Here, we'll fucking flip it over.
Hold on, let me drain it.
Get some fresh water in it. Dude, you're gonna be there all
Do
day.
you want to drain it?
Yeah, we can flip it. Here,
I can
take
flip it.
the camera.
You go, wait, don't get underwater. Fill it with freshie.
My feet are sinking into this shit.
That's okay. Work harder.
Oh, true.
If we can get it upside down, we can tell if there's actually a paddle on it and we can go.
There's no
You hold
paddles. It's a fucking pedal boat.
Hold the bucket. Yeah, that's what I mean, the fucking pedal. Alright.
You- That looks good.
We're good, dude. It's gonna be all right.
It's gonna be all okay.
Oh my god, it's fucking disgusting. Dude, it's pissing out of fucking.
Don't worry about
Dude, I told you to be quiet, and all I hear is complaining.
Bro, keep scooping, man. Dude, it's actually disgusting over here.
Oh, you're not a real party.
I'll get alternating.
Uh-oh. Shit, I almost lost the oar. Oh. Okay. Damn, this shit glides. Well, how's it going? Oh, I think you guys are taking on water. No way.
So many AIDS in my pants right now.
The water's warm.
Holy fuck, we did it. It's
All right.
The Pelican made it to shore.
All right, boys. Now it's time for our marketplace flip of the week.